Today, I'm going to show you how to add a section to a subtask in Asana, or more precisely, how to organize subtasks using custom fields. If you've ever felt limited by Asana's built-in structure for subtasks and wish you could categorize them with sections, you're not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a powerful workaround using custom fields that will help you neatly organize those subtasks by category, priority, phase, or any dimension you need. Let's dive right in. So here's the situation. In Asana, while you can easily create sections in your main task list, subtasks don't have a native section feature. But don't worry, we can get creative with custom fields to bring order to those subtasks, making your projects easier to manage and track, especially if you're working with complex workflows or want to give your teams a clearer picture. First off, let's talk about custom fields and why they're so useful. Think of custom fields as little labels or tags you can attach to your tasks, or in this case, subtasks. They're customizable, so you can set them up to match your workflow perfectly. For example, maybe you want to segment subtasks by project phase, urgency, owner, or any category that makes sense for you. It's like having organizational tools built right into Asana, no matter how granular your tasks get. To start, head over to the main view of your project. This is usually the part of Asana where you see all your tasks laid out in a list or board. Look up near the top right corner. You should see a button that says +Add Custom Field. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your window or checking for a small gray plus sign. Sometimes Asana changes layout slightly based on updates or your screen size. Clicking +Add Custom Field will open a window where you can create your very own field. You'll get a few different options here: drop-downs, single lines of text, or even numbers. For organizing subtasks into makeshift sections, a drop-down is often best. For example, you might name your field Phase and then add choices like Phase 1, Phase 2, or whatever categories work for you. Maybe drafting, review, final edits. Just take a moment to brainstorm what labels will help you and your team get more clarity. Don't worry. If you change your mind later, you can always edit or add new options. Once you've created your custom field, apply it to your subtasks. Here's a tip. If your subtasks aren't showing custom fields right away, open the Task Details pane for a parent task, then expand one of the subtasks beneath it. You should see your custom field available there. Sometimes you just need to refresh or click around a bit. Assign each subtask a value in your custom field, basically tagging it with the right category or phase. Now, here's where the organizational magic happens. With these fields in place, you can filter, sort, and search for subtasks based on your custom categories. So if you want to see all subtasks in Phase 1 across your project, you just filter by that field. It's a tidy, visual workaround to not having sections within subtasks, and it helps you or your team keep everything organized, on track, and easy to report on. Imagine being able to pull up just the final edits to quickly check what needs to be polished. So much better than sifting through a messy list. This process might take a few moments the first time, but trust me, it pays off with clarity and control down the line. And remember, if you don't see things working immediately, sometimes refreshing your browser or checking Asana's Help Center can unstick hidden settings. So that's it. Using custom fields turns your subtasks into a flexible, organized space, giving you almost all the power of sections plus a whole range of filtering tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have questions or need more tips for working with Asana subtasks. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides to unlock your productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.